Okay, so we're here at a local grocery store doing one of our favorite things to do when we're on vacation.
Find snacks.
Yes, find some local snacks.
Okay, so we ended up going to 3 different stores in Austria. And as you can see, this is our haul. And we're going to show you all the snacks that we got and even try a few of them. We have these Angry Birds ketchup. We have these Angry Birds ketchup chips. And it looks like we have the pigs and the birds from the game. Or the movie. Or the show. Yeah. We also have these crackers called Smiling Bear, and they're smiling bears. They look happy. And then we also got these Haribo strawberry ballistics. They look like straws that are filled up with some kind of food. Oh, you want me to tell them? Okay. Zachary wants me to show you these. These are Loose Beat Choco Banana. I hope I'm saying that right. It looks like a cracker and maybe some banana and chocolate filling. It looks really good. Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
And we have this. Now this is pretty funny. This is a very funny thing. It's a fruit spray. So it's some kind of liquid. I guess it's supposed to taste like a fruit. And I think this one is a berry. And you do this, and then you spray it in your mouth.
It's kind of sour. It's a sweet snuggles and sour.
I missed.
Exactly.
And then we have it's mine. Becky, wanna try? Yeah. Do it for the camera, okay? He doesn't want it. Okay, so we also have these mini 2 sauce. And they're like some sort of taffy. We've had some before. It's just a little bit. And we really recommend these. These were really good. And they have some kind of filling in them too, as you can see. We have these Jumpies. And the paprika flavored and they're little kangaroos. And we got this espresso chocolate, it looks like. It looks good. We also have these Skoka milk. I think milk is milk. Yes.
It looks like with these bread cookies. There's like chocolate on them, and then there's, I'm guessing, a marshmallow filling inside. It kind of looks like it. And then these hazelnut cookies, they look like these bread sticks with a hazelnut and chocolate in them, kind of like Nutella.
Okay, so Zachary wants to try these banana chocolate things. He's been begging for us. Oh. That's good.
I'm gonna open it up.
Okay, Zachy. Is it good? Is it good?
I'll just open it.
No?
Whatever.
Look at the camera. Is it good?
Yeah.
There's
Okay.
chocolate on it. Who wants to try?
Well, I was just gonna try and open up my hazelnut.
Yeah. It's hashtag yummy testing time. Let me try.
I got oh, these are all mini.
Okay. So I am gonna try out these chocolate espresso thingies. So these wafers are really good. They have chocolate and a banana filling right here. And they taste really good. So that is awesome. Yeah, love it. If you're a coffee lover like me, I definitely recommend this. So can I try? Hashtag typical boys. Oh, and I have I don't I'm not table. 2 more things to show you. before we end this video are these chips. And it looks like they have rosemary and salt, I guess. Rosemary and salt. And they look pretty good. Actually, no, we have two more things to show you. Whoops. These gummy bears. We see these a lot in the US and we tasted these before. I think I remember my mom telling me, but I don't actually remember. So they might taste, maybe. People say that it tastes much better than the US kinds or any other kinds. Yeah. Become a snack table. Max! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! He's eating coffee! Stop it! We need a napkin! Oh my gosh. Is it good? Our last one for today are snips. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, it looks like some kind of peanut butter crunchy puffs. I don't know what these taste like. Ooh, it has Uncle Sam on the bag. Yeah, I think there's some kind of flavored puffs that taste like peanuts. Oh, it says more peanuts, more taste. We really enjoyed these treats, and we hope you will too if you ever come to Austria. And like this guy, he's really happy. So we hope you like this video and gives it a big fat thumbs up. And we hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye. Bye.